Hey guys, look at the head-in display, much improved compared to the C6 model. You have the miles per hour, you have the shift or the gear you're in. On the left side we don't see the details, but it shows the speed limit. And on the right side you have the high beam on, and you see that actually in a different color in blue. And it's very light, everything is light but very clear at night. I'm very impressed with the quality of it. So I just wanted to point that out. Okay, performance timer, regular tour mode, let's go. Okay. Let's go on sport mode and see what it's going to do. It's starting. Let's reset that. And here we go. We are on sport mode and ready to go. Nobody around. And it did not start. I don't know why. Let's do that again. Stop. Let's go. That's not a record. Let's go on. Let's go on track mode. Let's start. 3.6. Well, that's a little bit better. Speed limit 35 miles an hour. Hopefully I can hold the screen right when I'm doing that correctly so you can see it. We'll go 0.72, accelerate a little bit. 0.77, yeah! That was amazing. I really need to plug an SD card in it so we can use the PDR. It'll be even funnier than holding a phone when you're driving. But my gosh, that car, you gotta try one like that. It's just like, it's unbelievable. The experience is like no other compared to the C6. It's like, it's day and night. Love the C6, just amazing. But that one is just like, it's beyond belief. Too bad I got someone in front of me. That 35 miles an hour should have been done at 70, 75 and get some good G's out of it. So while we're waiting, I will use this opportunity to talk about the addendum. I talked in a previous video about an addendum. When I purchased the car, I was still waiting on it, but it was close to delivery date. By anticipation, I asked the amount, including taxes and those few paperwork fees that they have. And the guy gave me a total mentioning, and I will put that on the screen, a text that I exchanged with him about an addendum. He came out of the blue after 16 months of waiting time almost. Came up with an addendum of $2,000. So I pretty much started yelling at him per text and saying, no, that's BS. And if you can check that on the screen, if I put that right now. And I gently and quickly argued with him, and he said, no, some of them are like $5,000. They were starting finally to put a markup on it, because they just want to abuse it, because they know everybody wants it and will do everything to get it. No, I pushed all the way, and it took him a few seconds to come back, said he checked, and I was one of the lucky one. But I was not one of the lucky one. He was just trying to get me like they're trying to get anybody else. So if you're purchasing, if you're about to receive your Corvette and you never heard about an addendum before, just don't accept it and just argue about it. Not much you can do, but at least you can put some pressure and just get out of it. So just wanted to talk about that. Okay, enjoy the rest of the ride, and hopefully I see you in I do a next video pretty soon. Again, you want to see any video, any specifics? Oh, that one was playing fun. If you want to see anything in particular, please let me know. It will be a pleasure to do a custom video based on your expectation. Okay, thank you guys, and I hope you enjoy still. Thanks. It's funny, you're pushing a little bit, but not you're not flooring it. And so it was what, 93 approximately. That goes so fast.